Hey, Jim Paar here, and we're going to talk about how to take your Facebook Live videos and move them over to YouTube, because this is a great way to grab content and fill up your YouTube channel and get good content. So what I recommend is just watch this video. So we're here on Facebook. This is a great way. A lot of people do Facebook Lives, but they don't have a YouTube channel. So this is a great way to get information or your content, your videos that you're doing on Facebook Live over to YouTube. So how do we do that? So we're going to click on this video. You find the video in your Facebook page. Doesn't matter if it's a Facebook business page or your personal timeline. Once you find those videos, we have something in here called, there's two options. We have a Facebook or a download media extension, and it's a Google Chrome extension that we have. So you can see this little arrow here, and I'll leave a link to that in the, it's called fbdown.net. And so we could just click this and it's going to grab that video, and then you can click download your video. And so it's downloading the video right now. So that's one way. If you don't have fbdown.net, there's a very simple way. You don't need an extension. Just click on the video so it enlarges. And then once it enlarges, you can go over to these three little dots here and just click on them, and it's going to say download video. If you clicked on those three little dots before you enlarge the video, download video is not going to exist. So we'll just click download video, and as you can see, it's downloading in the bottom left hand corner here. So once this downloads, we'll take it and add it to YouTube, and I'm going to show you how we upload that to YouTube. So we can see now that the video is downloaded. So it's in our downloads. So we're going to go to YouTube, go to your YouTube channel, click on this little upload button here to create a video or a post. So we're going to click upload video. You can go live there too. And then we're just going to select the file. So we know that it's right here in our downloads. And we're just going to open that file, and you can name it before you brought it in so that it attracts some SEO, but typically it's just going to pull in that name, and we're just going to copy the title from the YouTube. So it's Be Fearless, Don't Be an Opportunity Waiter. And then we can put in some content, some tags in here. So fearless. Of course, it's got to be a hashtag of, actually it'll, so we're going to do fearless motivation. We'll put in my name. I'll add some additional tags in here later. But we can add it to a playlist, whatever that playlist would be. And we're just going to put it in a new playlist called Motivation. And as you can see, it's uploading right now. And then it'll let us choose whichever thumbnail that it has here. And then, typically I create custom thumbnails, and of course you're going to put in more tags than this, and then you can schedule it out. So we'll just schedule it out for tomorrow at 1 p.m. and we'll say publish. And then we can see that the video is up here. So if we enlarge this, there's the video on YouTube now, and here's the video on Facebook. So this is a great way to increase your video, your content, really get your YouTube going. We just hit 100,000 views yesterday, and we appreciate everybody watching. And remember, comment below. I'll answer any questions that you have. I'll put links below of the FB down and some different instructions on what we just talked about. And in addition to that, remember to subscribe, hit the bell if you want to hear about my next video coming out. That'll notify you right away. And I appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot.